back to Yarns and Fins. I am Kay, and for today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to crochet this neat look crop top that is probably the easiest crop top you can make out there. There is also a written pattern for this top, and you can get them from my pattern stores. Links are on the description box below. For this tutorial, you will need a medium weight yarn, preferably the milk cotton one, a 5mm crochet hook, 4 stitch marker, a darning needle, a pendant cutter or a scissor, and 12 pieces beads if you want to add some. I will put all the shop links to where you can buy these materials on the description box below. To begin, make a slip knot and chain a chain that stretches to how long you want your crop top to be, starting from the underarm downwards. Once you have the length that you want, for our row 1 beginning at the second chain from hook, we are going to slip stitch each chain till last. After that, for row 2, begin with a chain 1 and flip your work. And now, we are going to do a back loop slip stitch in each stitch across. Also make sure that your working piece is not tilted and that you are inserting your hook on the right loop or correct loop. So I'm here at the end of row 2, and make sure to not skip any stitch as it happens to some. And then for the succeeding rows, we will just repeat the same pattern on row 2 until the whole piece can wrap around your body. Also make sure that it's not too tight or too loose. Though the stitch is stretchy, make sure to have just the right fit. I suggest you put it on from time to time until you get the right fit you want. So I made a total of 260 rows, that is 20 inch in length, and I have a 31-inch bust circumference. To join both ends together, we will just do a slip stitch. To slip stitch, insert your hook on the first stitch on the other side, yarn over and pull through all loops. Now insert your hook on the back loop of your last row, then insert again your hook on the stitch parallel to the other side, yarn over and pull through all loops. Repeat that in each stitch till last. At the end, after your last slip stitch, chain 1 to secure and cut your yarn. Now, before adding the straps, make sure that your seam will be on the side like this. Now for the straps, attach your first marker somewhere in this area. You can divide your total rows into 4 and attach your marker, but here's an easier way on how I do it. Fold it by putting your first marker on one side and then add your second marker on the other side. Fold it again, putting the 2 markers at the center, and then attach your last 2 markers on both ends. Now to make the straps, insert your hook on the stitch with marker and attach your yarn. Now chain 67, that is 21 inch in length. For larger sizes, you can add more. And then at the end, cut your yarn leaving a 3-inch tail. Or you can slip stitch each chain all the way back if you want a more secure strap. As you can see here, I've already done the other 3 straps, and if you want to add beads on your strap, grab a smaller hook that can fit your bead hole and then use it to insert the beads on your strap tails. To secure the beads, make a multiple knots in the same place beside the beads. And just like that, we are again done with our top. I hope you like this video and you find it helpful. Don't forget to tag me on your social medias, be it Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok when posting your work using my pattern or videos. Also, don't forget to click the like button, notification bell, and make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.